Hello, my name is Ksenia. I'm the director of the Ufology World Congress, which will be in Barcelona this September. And here now with me Kiriaki from Greece. She will have her workshop at our congress. Hello, Kiriaki.
Hello to all of you.
How are you going? How is your day?
Perfect.
Are you excited to join us?
I'm really excited for all this.
Yes, we are all also waiting this moment. And can you tell us more? What are you going to teach our attenders at your workshop?
I decided to do these two workshops because I think that this period we need our full potential to overcome all of what that happens. With the first workshop, we'll see how to manifest our paradise on earth, living according to the spiritual laws. There are some spiritual universe laws that when we are living according to them, everything happens in an easy way and we have the best results with a small effort. With the second workshop, we'll see how to connect with our inner guide, with the best help that we can have from the universe. And we didn't realize this because we aren't at the same frequency. Everything is energy. And if our energy is in a low frequency, we can't realize our guide's energy that has high frequency. So in the workshop, we'll see how we upgrade our energy to feel and to understand the messages of our inner guide. So everything becomes more easy and we can help these messages from our daily life.
Can you tell us how did you decide to start this way in healing and in meditation and working with people?
Well, all this started because I want very much to give to the others the opportunity to express their best self. I have seen people to change their lives or to improve their lives through the healings and through my guidance. And this is so crucial for me. It gives me the energy to continue and to train more in all this and to have a big purpose in my life.
You are providing people with healing sessions and you are working individually or in groups.
It's the same if we do it in person or online, because everything is energy and it doesn't matter if we are close or far away.
And when you don't have enough energy for your healing, working, from where you take this energy?
I try to have always enough energy, and if I don't have, I save time to do it. I take care a lot of myself in order to have the energy to give to the others.
What is your main aim, main goal? Why did you decide to help people?
I enjoy it with them, and that gives me the power to continue.
And what did you usually use during your healing sessions? Maybe you use special tools, some special methods. Can you explain us more about it?
I have trained in many healings and techniques, and now I choose when I am with the other person or in the group, I feel energetically what they need to give them and to use them. So it's a combination of all this that I have trained and I have tried myself.
So I think you have a huge experience and you just wanted to share it with people.
Yes, my experience now is, I think, in a very good level to understand what the others need. And our results are great and I enjoyed it.
Nowadays, a lot of people, they know that they maybe have some problems, but maybe they are afraid or don't know how to understand and how to realize, and they need help or the small push to help to realize that. And I think this is, for me, this is your main goal, which you're trying to develop during your healing session.
You're right. Many people don't know about energy healing and they don't believe it. And to be honest, a lot of times I had decided to stop all this because I was trying a lot for small results. I couldn't persuade them to follow this or to try this. In these 10, 11 years that I work with all this, I see that people day by day believe in this, or they want to try it because they have tried many things and they didn't have results. And or someone of their friends did something like energy healing or alternative therapies and had results. So they want to try. I believe in energy healing very much because I saw great results. I'll do my best to transfer all this experience and knowledge to the others to help themselves, because I think that we all can be a successful and fulfilled life. The only thing that we have to do is to find for a way. Maybe this energy healing or something else, or psychology, or I don't know what, but let's do something for ourselves. Let's find the way that suits to us and to express our best potential. I think that it's crucial.
And at our Congress, you will reach a lot of people from all over the world. There will be also online attenders, as you said, that your healing sessions, the same like presential and online. So yes, I think you will reach the enormous success with your workshops. And thank you for attending our interview.
Thank you.
And we invite you to join us this September in sunny Barcelona and to improve yourself with Kiriaki.